um Update. Well, I am up in here somewhere. On there is Jupiter, and well, moon went a bit low, so I couldn't get moon, but that is moon. Funny thing is, that is Jupiter on a very polluted sky, but I can see the live feed in here. It's a telescope uh, with an adapter, so I have connected my phone to the telescope with an adapter. I'll show you 1 second. Yeah. Oh, very bright, but yeah, this is the phone, this is the adapter, and that is the main telescope body. That is the live view of Jupiter. If you move it a bit up, hold on a second. Yeah, there. Oh, okay. If you can see very two fine dots next to Jupiter, that is not a coincidence. That are the two Galilean moons out of the four near Jupiter. So Jupiter has four Galilean moons. Those two are Io, Callisto, Ganymede, and Europa. So I do not really know which ones are those two specifically, but if you can see, those two shimmering little points are the satellites of Jupiter. Isn't it fascinating? Very polluted sky, but I'm still getting. I'll try to take a picture of it and I'll put it up somewhere here and you'll be able to see. Now, this is what you get from just a simple phone and a camera, like a phone and a telescope. It's a 76 millimeter 700 millimeter optical tube and 76 millimeter lens, so mirror, sorry. What am I even saying? Now what I have done is here set the ISO to the max, which is the ideal case for planet photography, because the maximum ISO will show you some good amount of colors. Well, the thing is, this is not an equatorial telescope, so you cannot get a large amount of data because you always have to fix it around that length. So what I basically mean is that equatorial telescopes have this weight somewhere around in here, so that telescope will just move along the axis of the Earth's rotation. So for example, the North Star should be somewhere there, but it's very polluted. I can see it right now. But if it's somewhere there, so there is an angle between that and the horizon. So that angle is always maintained by the telescope. Now, if you move the telescope, it rotates like this. So what happens is that it's tracking the object from there to there. Or if it's up there, so it's going to track it like there to there. So which is the case? Now, Jupiter is up there somewhere. What happens, I'm blocking the light in here. If you have an alt azimuthal telescope, what I have here right now, so this alt azimuthal telescope has a problem. If you can see, there are no weight centers in here. So what it happens is has one up, down and left, right. So basic controls. You have to point it to that thing. If you can see, that's Jupiter, that's my telescope, that's the phone's adapter. It's pointing all the way there to take a picture. Alt azimuthal, for example, if you have, so it will just follow the path. It will just follow like this or like this, because it's tilted at an angle and it has an axis that moves around the center. Enough talking. What am I getting in here is a very faint dot. I believe I have done better than this before, but I'll stick the picture somewhere up there in the video if I can. But this is what it is. This is what it looks like from a simple beginner's telescope to have Jupiter in the point of view. I will set the ISO to a bit high so that I can get the satellites again. It's very fine controls that you have to get hang of. So if I move it by just even a second of distance, like one tap and it's gone. So yeah, I'll take a picture and I'll show back it in that the speed should be somewhat low. Yeah, I got a couple of pictures of Jupiter. Well, now it's time to with, because I'm not sure how the pictures went, because I'll have to, maybe edit it a bit so that I can tweak in the features of while. The basic thing that I was planning to say in here is that it's a very simple task just to get a phone, an adapter, and a simple binocular or telescope. Even in a very polluted sky like this, you can still get good observations. Not that good, but you can still get some you've been looking for, because the light is very bad in here. So I'll go back and I would come later, but that was the whole point. I'll come back